Hello, my name is Christopher Stallsma, and for my research project, I will be considering the impact of the religious backgrounds of the members of the Continental Congress on the work they accomplished to move the colonies towards independence. Uh, the scope will focus on the backgrounds of some of the primary figures with key religious differences that could have impacted the Continental Congress and the decisions they made as a team. Broke it down into three sections. We're focusing on Puritans, the Quakers, as well as some of the uh, others that would almost be wouldn't call them atheists, but they saw more importance in the idea of religion versus providing their personal beliefs. For the Puritan section, a lot of the research focused on John Adams, who grew up in Massachusetts. While he may have not been strictly a Puritan, he had grew up through a Puritan culture within Massachusetts, uh, as identified in his biography. This actually established him as someone that really wanted justice, saw the importance of rules, but also saw uh, it was had that spirit for fighting for freedom. On the other side, when you're looking at the Quakers, focusing on John Dickinson and a lot of resources, one of which was liberty and turmoil, uh, understanding politics of John Dickinson. With him being a Quaker and the Quaker ideals, actually tried to steer the Continental Congress away from war, focusing more on the choices to levy uh, levy embargoes on British goods, things that would prevent actually having to jump right to a war. Uh, with that as well, with the Puritan and Quaker religions. Also focus on Benjamin Franklin, who was another Pennsylvania delegate, as well as Thomas Jefferson, where they were less open about their religious ideals and beliefs. However, you can see some of that influence religious ideals in some of their writings. They saw the importance of a society that believed in religion, believed in rules, believed in morals and ethics. However, they didn't necessarily uh, see one particular religion better than another, and you can see that influence in a lot of the later works trying to uh, make religious freedoms for everyone within the colonies. Through this research analysis, it is clear that religion had an impact within the Continental Congress. Uh, it it helped drive those conversations. However, it also created some differences of opinion, debate, and for some, the choice of going to war was not always the obvious choice, and it did fight against their religious beliefs.